The quality and construction of the machinery is very well put together and will help us greatly with integrating this new piece of equipment that we got from your company. And it should help speed up our processes tremendously. We are very satisfied with the new equipment we got in. It is very capable and seems like it should help our production out tremendously. Everything is coming out just as advertised, and very good piece of equipment. The roller that we got seems like it should help out tremendously in our processes for day-to-day manufacturing, and the instructions along with the training that was provided seems very, very well. Thank you very much.
HARSLE. Save time, money.